Hello students, good morning. In today's English class, we are going to do the question answer part of our new prose Going to Buy a Book. In previous classes, we have already read the chapter loudly and then we have discussed the question answers then we have discussed the gist of the chapter and difficult words. So in today's class, we are going to do the question answer part. So please open the page number 156. In this page, there are three questions given to you in reading each fun activity. Okay, so you have to read the questions very carefully and then find the answer of these questions from your textbook. Okay, so let us read the first question. Number one, why did grandfather give the children money? Why did grandfather give the children money? Grandfather gave the children money to buy some books. I repeat my answer. Grandfather gave the children money to buy some books. Now come to the next question, number 2. Where did they go to buy books? Where did they go to buy books? They went to small market to buy books. So did the girl buy a picture book? Did the girl buy a picture book? No. The girl did not buy a picture book, but she bought bought a fat book with a lot of stories. The girl did not buy a picture book, but she bought a picture book with a lot of bought a fat book with a lot of stories. So let us listen and search. Here is a gaming activity for you. We will do it in fun day activity. We will do it in fun day class or in next class. Now come to the let us talk activities. Is there a bookshop near your home? If there is, do you like to visit it? Acha, if there is a bookshop near your home, do you like to visit it? First of all, you have to answer, is there a bookshop near your home? If yes, then you should write, yes, there is a bookshop near my home. Or no, there is no bookshop near my home. There was no bookshop near my home. Yes, I like to visit in Sundays and when I am free. What are the different kinds of books in this bookshop or in any other bookshop you have seen? Tell the class. We found different types of books in the bookshop, just like comics, novels, stories, poem, etc. Okay. Now come to the writing activity given to you in the page number 157. So first of all, look at the sentences in the story. There are three sentences given to you. Should he go to the big market? Should he go to the small shop? Should I buy a thin book? All these are sentences given to you in the page number 157. So look at the words that given to you in red color. Okay. Should we go to the big market? Here the word in red color is big. Should we go to the small shop? Here the word in red color is small. Should I buy a thin book? The word in red color is thin. The colored words above are describing words. All these words are called describing words because these words describe something about a place, about a thing, about a person, etc. Okay. सो ये जो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है ये कुछ ये डिस्क्राइब करता है किसके बारे में? कोई प्लेस हो, थिंग हो, पर्सन हो. जैसे कि बिग मार्केट, द वर्ड बिग डिस्क्राइब समथिंग अबाउट द वर्ड मार्केट. बिग हमें मार्केट के बारे में कुछ बता रहा है कि बड़ा है कि छोटा है. सो बिग इज ए डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. स्मॉल शॉप, thin book. So the colored words above are the describing words. Now fill in the more describing words into passage below. So here is a fill in the blanks activity for you. There is a small paragraph given to you with some blank spaces and you have to put appropriate describing word in that place. आपको वहीं पे क्या करना है? एक proper describing word input करना है. Just like it was a dash night, it was a dark night. So the first describing word I want to put is it was a dark night. It was a dark night. A dash girl sat up in bed listening to her mother tell a dash story. A small girl sat up in the bed listening to her mother tell a short story. Her dash eyes opened wide and she gave a smile. Her blue eyes opened wide and she gave a cute smile. Now go to sleep, Paro. Her mother closed the book. Sweet dreams. Okay. So these are the describing words we want to use in this paragraph. The first one is dark, small, short, blue, cute, and sweet. So all these words are describing words or describe something about a person, place, things, etc. Imagine that you will go to bookshop tomorrow. What will you do there? Write 5 sentences beginning with I shall. So imagine yourself that you will go to bookshop tomorrow. What will you do there? For example, I shall buy comic books, or I shall go to the story section. I shall I shall buy a picture book for my younger brother. You can write sentences like this, and you have to write only 5 sentences. And in the next class, we are going to do the next activities. For today, you have to do the question answer, then writing activity number 1 and 2. Remember, in today's task, you have to do the question answer and writing activity number 1 and number 2. So thank you and have a nice day.